Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure iPhone video settings for better editing in Final Cut. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your iPhone and navigate to the Settings app. Scroll down and select the camera option. Tap on Record Video. Choose a resolution that suits your editing needs, such as 4K at 30 frames per second. For more fluid video, consider selecting 4K at 60 frames per second if your device supports it. Next, go back to the camera settings and select Formats. Choose High Efficiency to save space while maintaining quality in your video files. Now, return to the main settings menu and scroll down to Photos. Make sure Optimize iPhone Storage is selected for manageable storage. After this, go back to the camera settings and tap on Grid to enable the grid feature. This will help with composition while filming. Ensure HDR video is turned on for capturing a wider dynamic range. To improve audio quality, connect an external microphone if possible. When you're ready to film, open the camera app. Depending on your preference, you can choose between the standard video mode or cinematic mode. Remember to look for good lighting and stable positioning while recording. Once you've finished filming, exit the camera app and open your photo library. Select the videos you want to edit in Final Cut. Transfer the videos to your computer via AirDrop, Finder, or any other preferred method. Open Final Cut Pro on your computer when you're ready to start editing. Import the transferred videos into your Final Cut Pro project. Now you're set up for seamless video editing with the best quality from your iPhone recordings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.